Hi Quillers, this is Agnes from Agnes Craft. Every quiller looks for how to keep their paper strips organized. The paper nests form tiny bits of remaining strips, missing out a few leftover shade of a particular color among the big mass of papers are hectic for every quiller, and it is hard to be organized when we are into a project. I tried so many methods to be organized for the past years, like using a shoebox to organize, using a white box to place the strips which I use for my current project. But whatever I try, I'm not fully satisfied and kept thinking to find a way that will make me happy. Finally, I came out with a do it yourself organization which is satisfying and thought to share with you. These are easy to make, stackable, and can be rearranged in whatever order we need, removable, so that we can take only the needed box to our work table. They take less space and we can see all the available colors easily. There is also an extra box on the top that can hold our new unopened packs of quilling strips. Each rack contains 4 individual boxes which are removable. I have arranged it in a very simple method of the rainbow colors. Every shade of violet is kept in one box and so on. Thus I have individual boxes for the Vibgire colors, black, white, pink and neutral. You could even arrange with individual shades in individual boxes. But this arrangement helps me by being simple and is not overwhelming. Each rack is stackable and can be rearranged or carried easily. These individual boxes are removable and can be taken to our workplace without occupying much space. These are hollow boxes which are open on both the ends. This particular box contains all the shades of violet and has even the tiny pieces of violet which I could use in my new project. After removing from the rack, I used to put a cap at the base of the box. This is just to protect the papers being missed from the back side and is not heavy enough to hold in upright position. The boxes are open at both the ends to prevent missing even the smallest pieces of paper. Sometimes I put all the colors I needed for a particular project in one of the boxes. It is easy to handle in that way. To replace them into the rack, I remove the cap and put into place, and we got an organized, easy to use organizer. If you are interested in this organization box, give a thumbs up and leave your comments so that I can make a tutorial on it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.